Haga jingyelang ka kunhun jong ki menteri jong ka sarkar jilla ka balalong menta ka sengi ka arpo pra tarik ukala lengkot la pediang ye ka jing ai jingmut ban penkala ye ka 6 schedule jong ka riti sensar jong ka ri India ha ka ba ye ka ne ka jing ai jingmut on pha sha ka sarkar India ban la ban penkala Habai kran bat kilat pathai khubor na kaliang menteri rangba ulaya thu bahaga jingyelang laya tai sani bha ye kimat ki basa halor ka jingpen kala ye ki katu katne ki benta jong ka 6 schedule ka ba kantu bi ki number jong ki seat ha ki district council bat banthau no ye ka village council Haba pensyai halor ki number jong ki seat na ka benta ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council bat Garo Hills Autonomous District Council ki seat kimdei ban palat ki sau phongut ki ba hakini ki sau phongut la kanthop lang ye ki sau ngut ki ba dei ki ba shuthung nominate bat ki weide ki ban sha jet lengba ka election Habai dei baka Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council kim dei ban palat ki lai pho arngut ki bala kanthop lang ye ki arngut ki ban nominate bat lai pho ngut ki wei ban sha jet lengba ka election Hagabai dei baka village council ya ki dikhot jong kane ka council on sujet lengba ka election kat bai ki chairman ken longbet hi da ki rangba snong ki sordar snong bat ki nokma Ulaya thuru ba hadin bana kaliang jong ka sarkar jilla kaladep banyakran bha bar ka sarkar pedeng halor kamat jong ka unrepresented tribe ha ka ba ya kane ka Kyndon ladep ban Weng bat Kyndon shu ha ka 6 schedule
We had a cabinet meeting for the amendment of the 6th schedule and the proposals that have to be sent from the government of Meghalaya. So as you're aware that most of the areas have been sorted out and the issues have been resolved. The last few pending issues were regarding the number of seats in the councils and regarding the formation of the village councils. In the number of seats, the proposal that the government of Meghalaya has given is that Khasi Hills and Garo Hills shall have not more than 40 members, out of which not more than 4 will be nominated and the rest will be elected through adult suffrage. And for Jaintia Hills will have not more than 32 members, out of which not more than 2 will be nominated and the rest will be elected through adult suffrage. Then in terms of the village council, the members, the cabinet has proposed that we should that the village councils will be elected, but the chairman will be an ex officio, will be the Rangbashnong, the Sordar or the Nokma will be the de facto chairman of the village council, and the secretary will be elected, and as per the different provisions the other members also will be elected, but the chairman of every village council will by de facto be the Rangbashnong or the Sordar or the Nokma as per the or the head/headman. So these are the 2 recommendations which were the last few pending issues that were left. We have proposed it, and this has been done, of course, after thorough consultation and discussion with all different stakeholders, including the district councils themselves. And these suggestions have come from the district councils, and accordingly the state government has proposed this to the government of India, and these proposals will go in the next few days. And I will also be discussing this once I go to Delhi for discussion on the border issue.
So what about the issue of unrepresented tribes? Has
so
this
those
been
aspects,
resolved?
absolutely. Those we have already discussed with the government of India and MHA also, and that particular clause will not be there.
So what do you have to